Hi, my name's Jim Wickenheiser. We're here at ISE 2019. I'm Senior Vice President for Strategic Initiatives at SiliconCore Technologies. Today we are looking at a brand new product for us. This is the ISE series, and specifically this is the ISE HD 110. It also comes in 130 inch and 165 inch, and it's targeted at the corporate environment. Most LCDs top out at 95 inches, and this is the next step up. It's designed to go in quickly and easily. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. You give us one wall, we'll provide 2 technicians, and it'll be up in 3 hours. It's a single SKU, it's ADA compliant, so it's only 4 inches deep, so if you want to come around and have a look at that, it can go into any kind of corporate environment in a very short amount of time. It's still all of our great SiliconCore technology with common cathode and ZAC and even Lisa, so it's going to be durable, it's going to be bright, it's going to be beautiful. So we encourage you to come on by the booth here in Hall 10 and come to our website on www.silicon-core.net. Thanks.